Have you received an invitation to Tabidoo and you are not sure what to do next? I'm Michaela, and in the next 2 minutes I will guide you through the first steps with Tabidoo. But before we begin, I recommend watching a short video on Tabidoo terminology. That way I will be sure that you understand everything. For creating your account in Tabidoo, you have several options. You can set up an account in the classic way, using an email, or you can link your account with Google or Facebook. To gain access to shared applications, you will need to verify your email address through a verification email we send you. Once you successfully log in, you will see an overview of all shared applications in Tabidoo. Now let's take a closer look at their structure. In the left panel of the application, you will find a list of tables that you can manage. Tables are composed of individual columns, which we call fields. These fields can contain various data types, such as text, date, drop-down, or file. The actual data is stored in the form of records. If you have editing permissions, you can add new records or modify existing ones. This is facilitated by a form that provides a clear way to work with your data. If you have the necessary permissions, you can delete, duplicate, filter, or even import your Excel files into Tabidoo. Are you interested in creating your own application? Then watch our other video, where I will guide you through this process step by step. And in case you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us.